Mozilla Firefox is a special browser. It's a very old and very much stable and secure browser. Today, I'll tell you the best way to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So open any of your browser, and once it is opened, type Mozilla Firefox. Once you have typed it, hit enter and we'll look for the results. And it says mozilla.org. Please make sure that you only visit mozilla.org, nothing else. And I'll click on Get Firefox for the desktop. And it says download Firefox. And I'll click on that. Now a very small Firefox installer will be downloaded, and we just need to open it, and it will ask you to say yes. And here we go. We have now Firefox has been installed before. Let's get you a new copy. So earlier I had already installed, that's why it's asking me to reinstall it. So if you have already the Firefox installed, the older version, it will reinstall to a new copy, a fresh version of Firefox. So it says restore default settings and remove old. That's fine. I'll just click on reinstall and you guys can click on install. Just like that. And now it says now installing, optimizing your settings for speed, privacy and safety. So I can see it's now installing, and very soon we will have the Firefox in front of us, and from there you can import the bookmarks from your Google Chrome or Edge browser, and you can also use it. The data is imported successfully, almost done, and I can see the browser is now opened and I can start using it without any issues. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.